Hi everyone, it's Matt from Ruffians and I hope you're all doing well. Seeing as we're all stuck at home at the moment, I want to take some time to share some tips on how to easily maintain your beard. So with a beard like mine, it's not very long, but keeping it from feeling scruffy without taking off too much length can be tricky. By knowing the areas where my beard is going to grow out of shape first, I can quickly make my beard feel better with minimal effort. The beard will grow out quickly in 4 main areas: the beard outline, the jaw corner, underneath the jaw, and around the lips. Now let's break the face down into 4 sections. You've got the cheeks, the chin, the tash, and under the jaw. By approaching a beard with these guidelines in mind, it's a lot easier to craft the shape. So here we start with taking the hair off the higher cheek. As you approach the beard lines, just curve the clippers in a C shape. This will make the lines softer, allowing them to grow out smoothly. Sharp lines are fine, but become untidy very quickly. Master this technique and you won't have to tidy your beard that much at all. When you move on to the bulk, start at the jaw corner, working with the growth of the hair along the cheek towards the chin. Make sure you use a longer guard than you might want to begin with. This will let you control what's coming off and reduce the risk of you wrecking your beard shape. Once you're confident, then you can drop down to the shorter guard. Keep reducing the guard until you're happy with the amount coming off. Work the chin in the same way you did the cheeks. Make sure you really cut in underneath the lips here to remove those annoying hairs. When you come to the tash, make sure you do the outline first. Remove the guard and use the clipper like a pencil to draw around your lips. Make sure you really stretch the corners of your mouth to get those annoying hairs. Go around the edges of the nose. Once you've done this, you can see whether you want any more bulk taken off the tash. Start with removing the hairs on the main neck, giving that little C-shaped flick with the clippers when you come to the beard line. Flip the clippers around and work down the neck towards the beard line. Really hug the shape of the neck with the clippers. You can afford to go tighter here. Just make sure that you start underneath the curve of the jaw. You don't want to lose anything there if you're growing it. Now just blend the line out. Work down the neck slowly, reducing the guard length and the area you're working on until the bare neck blends with the hair. Don't worry about getting it right the first time. Try not to overthink it. It's just keeping things subtle. Big movements can make big mistakes and are harder to rectify. So keep things soft. Continue this technique until you feel happy with the shape. So there we have it, simple. Hopefully you found that helpful and I'm looking forward to seeing all your beards in person very, very soon. Take it easy.